Yeah, that's how passionate I am when it comes to basketball. Even though you're leading or you're losing, so I want them to do what we're supposed to do. And we're so lucky tonight because we have a good start. And then if you can see it, ano man, nasabi ni CJ at the start, meron siyang at 4 points agad. And then nasundan pa ni Rosales. And imagine this, these three players, Jake Perez, Jericho Cruz, and Trojano, guys, they're averaging 18 minutes. 18 minutes, but their average point is 20. Okay, and I'm so happy with them because lahat sila pumutok tonight. And then we have parang happy time dito sa basketball na ito. And then nakikita naman natin mga players, and even Junmar, so he's not looking to score anymore. He's looking to assist. Maybe napansin niya, malapit na siya mag-triple-double. Yan, nakuha niya yung triple-double. And it's another record for him. But overall, it's a team effort especially yung bench namin. If you notice, talagang tambak yung first group namin sa second group. 107 points versus 51. That's 60%, 66% ang output namin galing sa bench. And then, makikita mo naman during the playoffs talagang inaasahan ko yung bench. And then, this is what happened tonight.
Are there any questions?
Coach, congratulations. 5 straight wins after 0 to start. Magandang patawag po going to be low break.
Yeah, before the game, that's what I told to them. Kailangan meron tayong baon bago dumating itong break na ito. And then a lot of them asking a long break, but it's not a vacation. It's a break because our next game will be against Topetec. And we are not assured of anything yet. In order for us to get into the top 4, which is our target, so we need to have at least 8 wins. So, more or less naman, alam naman nila yun. That's why, yung break namin, gagamitin namin for us to be consistent and to get into top 6 because after our next 4 games, it will be a playoff game.
Di ba alam ko yung mga key players mo busy sa FIFA?
Yeah, kinakausap ko na sila, tinatanong ko kung kailan sila aalis, and then kailan mag-training. I think next Tuesday, mag-start na training. Jericho will fly to Guam because kalaban ng Gilas Guam and I think mag-training sila doon. And then of course, it's not a vacation naman and more or less, alam mo naman nila yung nangyayari sa Cape. That's why I'm relying more on the bench. That's why we need to be consistent in what we are doing.
CJ, ano lang yung parang mindset mo nung nag-marami na naman ng San Miguel? Mayroon ba na to stay focused kahit tambak na yung
Yun din yung mga sa akin kasi kahit na laki ng we're already in the game, talagang focus tayo kami, and syempre, it's basketball, na mangyayari. So, hanggang din naman tapos yung laro, nalalo namin yung first time.
Coach, kailan kayo babalik sa training? Meron akong schedule?
Yeah, so I think Monday will be back and I will give them 4 days just to recharge because those national players will be out there next week and they will be in the training also. But it's habit for me. Hindi kailangan because we need to have a lot of things to do because we anticipated the things the other team is doing because during that more than 2 weeks, I think most of the teams will spend that time to strengthen and to recharge and to get into top shape because going to the playoffs and we don't want to be caught complacent.
DJ, kung magandang laro mo ba, sinyalis din na ito na maganda rin